Hi guys, I just wanted to do a really quick video showing you my favourite Becca products. So today is basically the best of Becca. So I've got 4 products which I like, my holy grail products from Becca, which I absolutely love. Here comes the best of Becca. Okay, so I've got most of my makeup done, I just haven't got on some of my favourite Becca bits. So first thing I'm going to start off with is Becca Under Eye Corrector. Honestly, this is the game changer. It took me so long to get around to this because I thought this was a concealer and I was just like, oh, I don't know, like about this shade, like the colour range and stuff. Not concealer, it's a colour corrector, so it goes under your concealer. But if you just want to do like a quick, I don't know, run to the shops or the school run, this by itself makes such a massive difference. So let me just get a little mirror so I can see exactly what I'm doing. Just under the eyes, and you only need to put it where you've got like darkness or pigmentation, or where you feel like you need colour correcting under your eyes. So mine's always under my eyes, and actually, even though I got loads of sleep last night. So can you see instantly what a difference that has made to my under eyes? This one's got the, well, you can see. So I'm just going to go on the other eye as well. And I basically put this on before concealer. And when I'm going to do the school run, I literally just do my skincare and this, because that's what I've got time to do, and then I'll come back and do my makeup. Like, this, honestly, is so good. And it's really hydrating as well. It's not drying at all, it's really hydrating. And it doesn't budge, it does stay put. That is literally like my favourite Becca product, I think. Actually no, they're all good. So I have got the shade medium to deep, so it's got kind of like a peachy undertone to it to counteract my darkness. The Aqua Luminous concealer. So Becca, I've got a couple of concealers, but I love this one because it is just so hydrating and really lightweight. I would literally only put this where I feel like I need to conceal. And I know I always say this, but a little bit goes a long way. And then I use the shade Tan. So can you see that difference? So hopefully you can see the difference, but the under eye corrector has basically done so much of the work. So honestly, these two, the under eye colour corrector and the Aqua Luminous concealer, they for me are like the concealer game changers. My next favourite product from Becca is the bronzers. So these bronzers are so lovely. These are the Sunlit bronzers, and they are called Sunlit for a reason. So right now I've got no bronzer on. I have contoured, but I've got no bronzer on. You're going to see how sunlit and sun-kissed I look. So this is the shade in Panama Sun. So I use a big bronzing brush and just go into my hairline. You see instantly how bronzed I look. Just so I go all around my hairline, because this is where the sun would hit naturally first. Then just go across my cheekbones and obviously over my nose is where the sun would hit. But can you see that instant sun-kissed look? Honestly, these bronzers are so good. The highlights. Champagne Pop was the cult favourite for years, and that's a lovely shade, but my favourite shade from the highlighters has got to be Rose Gold. It is so nice, and generally I just love Rose Gold highlights. So I'm going to show you, I'm so excited to show you. So this is the highlight, and as you can see, it's just so nice. So I just do it in the highest points of my cheekbones. Whatever's left on the brush, just along my nose, and then keep it going. You can obviously go like dust here a bit if you want. These 4 products have literally just made such a difference to the whole makeup look. Like, it's just made me look so like golden and sun-kissed, and like I've had sleep. Also, you cover up your dark circles, conceal anything you want to conceal. So if you've got like breakouts you want to conceal, like you just want to brighten up your under eyes, and then you've got your bronze and your highlight. Honestly, hands down, love these products. I just wanted to quickly share them with you because these are basically my favourite Becca products. And yeah, just comment below, let me know if there's any Becca products that you recommend I should try, because I love these. Anything from Becca I absolutely have to try. Just comment below, let me know.